Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are out there in the world, clearly you are, but the thing is, just be safe. And I don't mean that as in just because of the coronavirus. I mean that because of everything that's going on in the world. Like, if you really think about it, this world is just, it's getting out of hand. Like, it's not what it used to be. Like, people are more aggressive. People are showing you how they really feel nowadays. And you know, it's a little too much. So really, I just really want to say, you know, be safe and take care of yourself, because a lot's going on right now, sis. A lot is going on. So I really just wanted to say that because I feel like I just need to. Let me know what you think of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Show your girl some love. You know we are trying to grow. Come on, baby girl. Hit that subscribe button. It's like right there. It's right there. Just hit it. You know you want to. I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds, okay? Okay, did you hit it? I hope you did. Oh my gosh, I'm praying you hit that freaking subscribe button, girl. Come on, I need you. I need you. Okay, I'm gonna go out of here. I'm gonna let you get into the video, and I will see you in my next one. Like I said, be safe, okay? For my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this Morphe palette. This is the 15 night. This is the 15N. It's the Night Master palette. Okay, this is what it looks like. So we're gonna be using today, okay? I'm gonna go in with Shock right here. I'm gonna apply that all over my crease.
So, what have you guys been up to? I'm really curious. Like, what are you guys doing to, like, you know, speed the time up? Because, you know, 2021 is coming. So, like, what have you guys been doing? Got any plans, sis? Let me know, because I ain't doing nothing. Like, it's freaking raining. There's been a tropical storm for the last, like, 2 weeks. I swear, Florida is going to be underwater. Like, give it like a couple years.
Like, it's been flooding like crazy. Like flooding. I don't know about you, Florida. You know, you don't have to get out of this state because it ain't working. So I'm gonna have to head out. I'm gonna go in with Boom. I'm gonna place in my outer crease, and I'm gonna blend this out slowly. Like, I'm gonna move it inwards. Just a little bit. I'm so mad. Like, I'm so mad that I can't have my fan on. Y'all won't be able to hear me, and I'm kind of hot. Like, if y'all see how many lights I got on, like, I have on like a tube dress, so I mean that helps. But dang, I'm gonna go in with golds, like that, golds, and I'm just gonna blend out my crease a little bit. I'm gonna put that right on top. I'm gonna go back in with that Boom. I'm gonna deepen this up a little bit. Now I'm just gonna put this all into my crease. I'm gonna go in with Custom. I'm gonna put that all over. We'll cut this crease. I'm gonna mix Boom and Cliche, and I'm just gonna apply that to my outer crease. Because I know exactly what I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh, I feel so good about this. It's gonna be a fall look, guys. Oh my gosh, I wasn't even going for that, But you know what? God had other plans, okay? You know what? I'm saying you know what? I'm gonna go in with, what is this? This is Scene. It's like a dark purplish. I'm gonna apply that a little bit just in my outer crease. Just a little bit. I just wanna, you know, give it like a little bit of definition, darken it up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna take my lash glue. This is the Makeup Atelier. I wanna slightly tap this all over my lid. And then I'm just gonna apply this. For mascara, I'm gonna go in with my Lash Sensational by Maybelline. And I actually used these lashes the other day and they are so pretty. I'm gonna put them on for you guys just so you get a look. I'm just gonna take this lash and I'm gonna bend it just like this so it can dry this shape so it can fit my eye. Moving on a primer, I'm gonna go in with my two primers. This is the Decay liner. I'm gonna put this for the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna take my MakeUpForEver, the mattifying base, and I'm gonna apply this into my T-zone. I've been loving this foundation really, oh my god. So yes, this is a really good foundation. And besides, Maybelline makes really good foundations anyway, so don't sleep on them. This is the Maybelline the Super Stay Matte Foundation, and this is in the shade 330 Coffee. I'm gonna take a pump of that. I'm gonna take like a pump and a half. I'm gonna spray my face with my Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray. I like to put layers in between just to make sure I set each layer real good, okay? To highlight my face and conceal, I'm gonna go in with my Juvias Place Concealer. This is the shade 16. You know, we always gonna be using the Juvias Place because we are magic, isn't that right? We magic, sis. I'm gonna spray my face really quick. Alright, to set this concealer, I'm going to use my Anastasia, the Loose Settings Powder in Banana. Taking my beauty sponge, I'm going to go in with the powder and then I'm going to rake off the excess. Okay, while this powder is setting really quick, I don't want to leave it on for long. I'm going to go in with my contour kit. This is the Wet n Wild. The thing is, you don't want to bring your contour too far down. Right between the pupil of your eye, right down there. It's supposed to create like a little triangle. So right from right there, from your ear. To bronze up my face a little bit, I'm going to go in with my Milani bronzer. This is in the shade Soleil. Alright, to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline FitMe powder. This is in the shade Light Medium 20. And just like before, I'm going to dip it and then I'm going to scrape off any excess. Alright, so to set any excess powder, I'm going to spray my face one more time, and then I'm going to go over my face with a damp beauty sponge. For my highlighter, I'm going to go in with my Laura Geller. This is the Diamond Dust. I'm going to take this on a smaller brush. I'm just going to go over my brow. Ooh, look at that. Look at that pink. Ooh, it's so pretty. Guys, I'm in love. I'm in love. You know, I think I'm going to apply this in my inner tear duct as well. I'm just going to line my eyes, my waterline, with a black eyeliner pencil. Alright, for my mascara, my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl. This is the SoLashy. Alright, for my lips, I'm going to go in with my NYX lip liner in Toast. My NYX Liquid Suede cream lipstick, and it's in the shade Sandstorm. So this is the finished look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Show your girl some love, because you know I'm trying to grow, sis. Like, that's just it. Let me know what you think of the video. Leave me a comment, you know, give me some advice, give me a suggestion if you got it. And go ahead and subscribe, you know, so you can, you know when I have videos coming on, okay? Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Let me know what you think of the video. Don't forget to wear your mask and be safe, because girl, we don't want to catch coronavirus, okay? We don't. We want to be nice and healthy, okay? So wear your mask, spray your hands with hand sanitizer, you know, wash your hands throughout the day, and just be safe. And honestly, just be safe. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. So, and I'll see you in my next video.